Welcome to Finance Advice. In this video we're reviewing FreeTrade.io, an app to buy and sell stocks for free. Hello, we wanted to let you know that we recently discovered and tested a free trading app. It's a free stock trading app available in the UK and in some countries in Europe already, soon to be expanded in more countries. We've tested it. It's fabulous. It's very simple. The interface is super basic and easy to use. This is a user submitted review from Finance Advice. You can have a look at our website anytime, financeadvice.biz. We review trading platforms, and we basically supply any information that you may need regarding trading, investment, stock markets, etc. Anyways, I'm going to move on quickly to the FreeTrade.io. FreeTrade.io. Incredibly, this app is not available on desktop. It's only available on mobile, but it's very easy to use. Considering if you're if you want to start investing without spending any money on commissions, this is the way to go. Just download the app, and we'll show you later how to use it. It's very simple. So here's the website, some print screens. The website, this is a startup, has been featured in multiple publications. You feel free to go ahead and read the descriptions, etc. As for pricing, as I said, it's free, and that's the main point. You can place an instant order for stocks for £1, but if you place a regular order which executes every day at 11 in the morning, then it's free. It's completely free to buy or sell stocks. It's also free to deposit, to withdraw cash. So it's basically all free if you use the basic order, or you pay £1 and then you can execute the orders immediately. So that depends on how much you're buying or selling. You can see here on the App Store, relatively good reviews. Has been downloaded multiple times already. It's very popular. They're crowdfunding for expanding. They're adding features continually. So this is very promising, very good for people who are not in the US, people who don't have access to the RobinHood trading app. This is a very good option. Here on the Google Play Store for Android users, also free to download, free to use, relatively good reviews. Go ahead, give it a try. It's free to try. It's you can deposit just a few dollars, buy one stock, sell it, see how it feels, and you won't be disappointed. No, you won't find any advanced features though, but for basics, buying and selling stocks and basic information on the portfolio that you will be building, it's very good. Anyways, this was a very short announcement. Feel free to go on our website and review our top trading platforms of the year. If you're into derivatives, you can see some forex, options trading, CFD trading apps available mobile and desktop, with user reviews, full professional reviews as well, links, etc. Thanks for listening. If you would like to know how to use the app FreeTrade.io, don't forget to check our next video where we review the interface of the app and how to use it.